But you know what? Today's a tough day to be on the roads anyways. Give the road crews some time overnight and tomorrow to really kind of do the heavy lift. It is going to be a big job for all of them. Again, we have that ice underneath. We have that rain, freezing rain, the snow on top. It's all getting packed down. So again, you're going to find roads very slick out there in many places. We still have some of that heavy snow, especially for our friends in western Wisconsin. Gusty winds all over the place. So again, anticipate some difficult travel, some dangerous travel in some parts of the state, and no travel in even other parts of the state, especially southern Minnesota. And we'll take a look at road conditions again here momentarily. But again, once we get to tomorrow morning, the snow is going to be done. The winds are still going to be rather strong. And then the temperatures, they will have tumbled. So it's going to be a very bitterly cold start to our Wednesday. Let's take a look at what's going on outside. There's a look at the current warnings that we do have. And pretty much the western half is under a blizzard warning. The eastern half, a winter storm warning. It just basically comes down to that blizzard conditions, whiteout conditions, more likely and certainly anticipated where we have the blizzard warning. Still a possibility to the east. We're going to find that heavier snowfall across parts of western Wisconsin and even far eastern parts of Minnesota. And this will take you into tomorrow morning. Current winds right now, they've been the strongest. West central, southwest Minnesota, they're still rather strong there. 25, upwards of 35 miles an hour from the northwest. Not only bringing in some colder temperatures, but also creating a lot of whiteout conditions. Looking at Wilmer right there, visibility of 0, 1 mile, Mankato, 1 mile, Marshall, 1.5 miles around the Twin Cities right now. A lot of blowing snow at this hour. Even around the Twin Cities, it'll be hit and miss in places. We're going to see a little more of that heavier snowfall continuing for the eastern metro, western Wisconsin. So I would anticipate visibilities to stay very low tonight as you go to the east side of the metro, extended into western Wisconsin. Road conditions right now, again, you can see a lot of purple, a lot of blue, completely covered roads, icy conditions. Again, just that kind of just a layer of ice underneath that snow that's there right now. And zooming out, you're going to find southern Minnesota, pretty much no travel advised there. In fact, just saw reports that it is looking like south of Owatonna, I-35 is going to be closed due to several crashes right now. So make sure you check those road conditions and check those travel plans carefully for tonight. If you have to be outside, would advise not being outside on the roads. Give the road crews time to get the work done and just avoid what could be a pretty awful night should there be a car crash. Right now, though, we have a surface low that's pretty much around the Chicago area. That is going to strengthen over the Great Lakes, and that's what's going to keep the snow going back to the west across us. We also have kind of a mid-level low stirring up over the Dakotas right now. So kind of caught between those two systems. Snowfall stays in the forecast tonight, but you're going to see the heavier snowfall right now across western Wisconsin. There will be pockets of it extending back to the west and southwest for tonight. But again, you can see that heavier band sitting right over the St. Croix, the Mississippi River Valley into western Wisconsin right now. A little lighter to the west. But as you go through the rest of the night, again, closer to midnight, things starting to wind down. Here's 10 o'clock tonight. Overall, that axis of snowfall is dropping to the south. Get to midnight, 2 a.m. time frame, really starts to wind down. We'll get some sunshine tomorrow. That will be a valuable commodity. That is going to really assist in clearing the roads. Overall, again, snowfall totals expected to be highest western Wisconsin. Some parts of the metro will be 4 to 8. Eastern, probably closer to 6 to 10, and still blizzard-like conditions expected with lower snowfall totals as you go to the west. Those temperatures, the feel-like temperature, that will drop like a rock through the overnight hours, and we'll end up with double digits below zero tomorrow morning. We'll make it into the low teens for air temperatures, wind chills staying sub-zero throughout the day. And like I said, there will be some nice sunshine to help with the road conditions, but temperatures certainly not helping out. Checking your 7-day forecast, a nice warm up there for Tuesday, some snow showers on Wednesday, and then we ring in the new year with some frigid temperatures around here.